I don't know about you, but I need a vacation. Oh, I forgot to mention that our vacation is going to be in our backyard. But first, we have to set everything up.
And I've been chilling, watching the ocean with you. Baby up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our clouds when people change, but not us. And we just chilling, kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the monsoon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money,
What is wrong with you?
and I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it, and I don't need to speak a single word.
It is rather warm outside, yes, but the water is, not gonna be warm because it hasn't even been put in the pool yet. Yeah. So what are you gonna do?
You just have to wait and see. This is plumbing tape. Used for creating seals. We can do plumbing.
Seals? We don't have any seals here.
That was a nice dad joke. Yeah.
Thank you. By the way, if this doesn't work, we do have an actual faucet, but it's like under the deck, really. You have to like crawl to get to it. I don't know who built this thing. But by doing this, we can kind of maybe get warm water or something so we can, it can be warm. I don't know. Oh, there's warm water. I can feel it. Ooh. Well, this is going to take all day. So, we'll be back. Okay. So, the real experiment here is to see if this deck is strong enough to support 800 gallons of water and us. We'll see. This is not, this is a kiddie pool, but this is not no little kiddie pool. It's a big kiddie pool. And we're having to hold the sides up while it fills up with water. But eventually, when the water fills up, the water will keep the sides up and everything. But for now, we're having some problems. So here's the progress on the pool. It's about halfway there now. The water is cold, of course, but we have something to fix that. A little solar cover thingy that you put on there. It also covers it up so stuff doesn't get in there. But hopefully that'll help.
What are you doing?
I gotta finish setting the scene. There's stuff in the way.
It's beautiful.
Well, we finally made it. Oh, so we just had lunch.
So good.
I'm kind of thirsty. Do you think the drink boy is here?
Oh, drink boy.
Drink boy.
Drink boy. Maybe.
Shall we go see if he's here to order some drinks?
Let's go investigate.
So, unfortunately, our drink boy has gone missing. So we have to fend for ourselves. This is the private Cabana kitchen that we have broken into. We're going to try to make our own drinks using the materials that were left behind. We have a pineapple.
I'm gonna crack this sucker open. But listen, there be water inside. So we gotta get some tools, and we'll be right back. Ideally, you actually want to use a Phillips head, not a flat head. But me, I'm trying to be extra special, and I'm trying to take the top off in a way to where I can still use this as a cup. I don't expect myself to succeed, but I'm gonna try anyways. All right, so first things first, you find your eyes. The eyes of the coconut, and that's where you're gonna puncture.
We've never touched a coconut before.
Nope. Just watch some YouTube videos. All right, we got our first hole, but we need more. Just follow you sight left there. Got a proper airflow. We just need to drain. So, what are you doing? Stop getting ahead of me.
I'm getting ready.
Stop getting ahead of me. Stop. Be patient. All right. So we got that. Here we go. The most sensitive part. Let the waters flow. Oh, there we go. There's proper drainage right there. Oh yeah, that's a ticket.
Spouse, hold it, aim, and whack it.
That's what she said.
In case you haven't figured it out yet, the drink we're trying to make is a Pina Colada. We need some cherries for garnishes. We have our little pineapple pieces for garnishes. We're going to use the coconut juice for sweetnesses. Pineapple juice, coconut milk, and frozen pineapple chunks, so we can get the frozen slushiness.
The right consistency.
That's what I said. Unfortunately, our fruit isn't, naturally super sweet enough. So a traditional pina colada, tastes very sweet and sugary and delicious. You have to add actual sugar into it. We're not really measuring that sugar, but okay, I think we're good. And of course, no drink is complete without umbrellas. Cheers. I don't even know why.
Drink from this other side. There you go.
It's chunky. I think I got some sun, as is expected when you go to the beach. But now we are headed to Putt-Putt. I'm gonna just walk on over. Oh look, the Putt-Putt course is right here. Are you ready to Putt-Putt?
Yeah. Some hardcore putt-putt right there.
Tiger was Putt-Putt.